look at you so calm. You like that voice, eh? Yeah. Hey, there you go. Yeah, Lord. Yeah, Lord.
You know I love you, girl. With my heart and soul. You mean everything to my heart, yeah. Everything to my soul. Love me, JJ, love me tender. Love me, JJ, love me tender. Baby, you mean so much to me. You're my everything.
Welcome back to our channel. Today is day 6. Almost a week we've been doing this. Okay, now consistency. Come through, consistency. So today is a super chill day. Like super chill. We've been running, what the old folks say, running our panties off the past couple days. Your girl tired. I'm tired, y'all. I'm really a homebody with this baby. But before the baby, I can run. I be running. But now the baby is too much. I gotta run, he gotta run. I gotta get him ready, gotta get me ready, gotta breastfeed or bottle feed, gotta pump before I get ready. In the middle of me getting ready, after I get ready, before I leave out the door. It's too much. At that point, I don't wanna go. Wrap it up, we ain't coming. Sorry. But I've been so neglectful at my house. I feel like this needs to just be a cleaning day. So I just want to clean the whole house and get a feeling, you know? I want a bigger house, a better house. And if I ain't no being God and keeping my house clean, how can I do that? How I'm going to get that? So, I'm going to go on and clean up. And my number one tip for cleaning, get you something comfortable to clean in. These little moo-moos from Burlington, $10. Baby, go do it every time. Go do it every time with your bonnet on. Go do it every time because you could scrub it. You could scrub it.
Black people's
So.
costume.
What?
So that's black people's costume.
Yeah.
The bonnet.
But I'm going to keep a bonnet on. So, I'm going to show y'all. We go clean the living room. We go do laundry and clean the kitchen. And I'm going to do everything else off camera. So let's go and be obedient to God. Because he, praise him. So we'll see y'all then.
Yo, sugar to make it the wall. Yeah, the bar. Let me like rap like what is his name? Oh.
The beat gone. Oh. This one we got yesterday. Cute. Ski.
And this.
And this. Ski. One, 2, 3, 4. He came in some mittens. Oh shoot, these are literally just mittens. Ain't no thumb part or nothing. That's cute. I ain't even noticed that. That was what happened yesterday.
I feel like you don't open the iced tea because you don't want me to know you've been there.
Been what?
Touching my stuff.
It ain't that. You know what?
You've been sneaking behind me.
I don't be
You
sneaking.
just need me to open it and then you go there.
I don't be sneaky, you just don't be that. Matter of fact, let me show you. I don't be sneaking, I'm finna show you. You just don't ever be around. But since you're here, this how you want me to drink the iced tea? This how you want me to drink it?
Since I here, put some on.
That's how you want me to do it from now on?
Thank you.
Huh?
Not tip for you.
Tipsy bartender.
What's that thing they put on your receipt? If they want you to pay tips by force.
Gratuity.
Gratuity, right?
Uh-huh.
That thing is stupid. It's stealing.
So, look who's with us. See, I'm with us. He gave me 1 hour. That I guess that's good enough. So now we're gonna go downstairs and wash. Our washing machine is broke in this building, so we're gonna go over to the next building and we're gonna take you with us. Say, cause I need my clothes washed. Yeah. Oh, let me get his sheets. Hello, mama. Say that, my mama. Say that's my mama. I'm thinking, man, you took a little cat nap. So, yes, I did. That baby took a cat nap, yeah. That don't did your clothes. You in the laundry room? Doing your laundry? Well, where your shoe at? Oh, my goodness, you dropped your shoe. Oh. See, I'm doing my laundry. So, that's the end of this video. Hope y'all enjoyed my little cleaning routine that I do. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that little bell notification button so that you can be notified whenever we post. See you guys tomorrow, day 7 of Vlogmas. Peace.